Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your brick game 99.99 in one. First, let's get it powered up. You'll typically find the on/off button on the top or side. Make sure you have two AAA batteries inserted correctly into the back compartment. Once on, use the directional pad or D-pad to move around the main menu. If you ever need to start fresh, just press the reset button to return to the game selection screen. It's quite straightforward to begin playing. Now that your brick game is on, let's pick a game. Use the up and down arrows on your D-pad to scroll through the extensive list of over 9,900 games. When you find one you like, simply press the start or rotate button to jump right into the action. Many games also feature different difficulty settings, usually from 1 to 10, allowing you to adjust the challenge. Don't forget to explore various game modes for even more fun. Customizing your experience is easy. Look for the sound button to toggle the background music and sound effects on or off, or use the volume buttons to select one of 8 distinct levels. If you need a quick break, the pause button will freeze your game exactly where you left off. Additionally, some games offer options to change the falling speed of blocks or even the rotation style, giving you more control over your gameplay. Experiment with these settings to find your perfect setup. To ensure your brick game lasts for many hours of enjoyment, proper care is key. Always remember to turn off the device when you're finished playing to save battery power. If you plan on storing it for more than a few weeks, it's a good idea to remove the two AAA batteries to prevent any potential leakage. Keep the screen and buttons clean with a soft, dry cloth, and always protect your game from drops, extreme heat, or water. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.